What's going on, YouTube? I'm coming at you this week from sunny Florida. I'm on vacation and I got a special guest with me. I got my wife with me, and I just wanted to kind of talk to you guys a little about something that has to do with vacations and events and the entertainment company. And if it's a little like loud or whatever, there's a bunch of people that are outside by the pool. We're actually outside in our little like patio of this timeshare hotel, vacation club, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. But there's a bunch of people, and we're right outside, right like where our room is. It's like overlooking the pool, so there's a bunch of people around. But hang out, let's chat, grab some coffee, grab a Red Bull, grab whatever it is that you prefer, and let's have a little bit of a quick chat talking about events and when you go on vacation. Yo! Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Like I said in the beginning, this video is just going to be a quick and easy one. I'm coming at you from sunny Florida. I'm on vacation this week. I'm with my wife. We are celebrating our 6-year wedding anniversary, and then next week is actually my birthday. May 10th is my birthday. So all of you Tauruses out there, shout out to all you guys and ladies. And again, to everybody who has liked, commented, subscribed, you guys are rock stars. Thank you so much for following the channel. You guys have blown it up, and I just can't even express how awesome all of you guys are. So thank you again. If you are new to the channel, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, because as you guys know that who have been following me, I put these videos out every week. So if you hit that bell notification, you'll always get notified when new videos go up, and you'll always be in the know. Okay, so this week's video is just going to be a super quick one, just because, like I said, we're actually on vacation. We're coming at you right outside in our little patio of where we're staying at in our room. And I wanted to talk to you guys about, first of all, for those of you who don't know, this is my wife, Amanda. She actually helps me at a lot of events. She runs the photo and video booth at a lot of times, and she handles all the customers and shows them how to use the booth, and she gets them their pictures and puts all the props back. And don't let her little frame scare you. She also works as security. There's times where I have to go in and out of a venue to get gear and bring it back out to the truck and so on, and she hangs out, and like I said, she will cut a bitch.
Don't make me cut a bitch.
They get anywhere near any of the equipment. So she also works a little bit of my security that will just kick your ass if you come anywhere near the stuff. But in this week's video, I wanted to talk a little about going on vacation and events and entertainment. So all of us who work in this field, there's going to be times where we need to take a vacation because you're just going to get burned out. The stress and all the hustle and bustle of doing events every single weekend, eventually it's going to catch up to you and it's going to kick your ass. And you're just going to have no energy anymore, and you're just going to be totally burned out. And especially now, because we're coming up on peak wedding season, a lot of you guys that are out there that are doing weddings every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or even just any event every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, you guys know that you'll get burned out very quickly. And if you're a solo op or even like a small multi-op where you've only got a few guys and you're just out there all the time, it's going to catch up and it's just going to kick your ass and burn you out. So it's always very important to take some time for yourself, whether it's just an overnight getaway or it's a weekend getaway or a week-long vacation with either it's just you, your family, your kids, whatever. It's very important for you guys to just get away and decompress and wind down and just, get back into feeling better and just not be burned out. So in this video, when you do go on vacation or go out of town or whatever, it's very important that you let the public or potential clients know that you're out of the office. Now, if you're like me, when inquiries come through, you make it a priority to get back to people very quickly. And if you're out of the office, if you're out of town or whatever, you may not have a way to do that. So think ahead whenever you do plan on going on vacation or out of town, because if someone sends you an inquiry and they are interested in booking you, or they're unfortunately in that situation where their DJ or their entertainment didn't show up, or cancel on the last minute, and they're hyperventilating and they're trying to find entertainment as soon as possible, there's going to be those times where people reach out to you, and you might not be in the office, you might be out of town, you might not be anywhere near your computer. But if you plan on going away, no matter what time, no matter how much time it is, always make sure that you either put something on your website saying, hey, our offices are closed between Monday to Friday, between these hours, or do an away message on your email signature. Or if you're using any type of automation tools, there's so many different like CRMs and DJ tools and things out there. There's Vibo, there's Q, there's Eric Messenger. I know you're probably watching this and you're probably gonna put a comment about automating your, you know what it is. But any type of CRM that you guys are using to create automation to get back to your clients whenever they send you an inquiry for a quote, services, whatever, make sure you do some type of away message or autoresponder or something so that if they are needing something right away, they get that notification saying, hey, I'm out of the office, but as soon as I get back in, I'll get back to you right away. Or you could even leave something where it says, hey, if this is critical, here's my phone number, or here's my assistant, or whatever. Just give your clients or potential clients a way to know that, hey, you're out of the office, you're not ignoring them, or just another point of contact that they can talk to if they need entertainment services almost immediately. And then, you know, like I said, it's that customer service element, because I've talked a lot about this in some of my other videos, that if you're supplying awesome 5-star customer service and you're giving an experience that customers really want and love, then it's just going to make things so much easier for you guys whenever you are booking events and talking to potential clients and doing your inquiries and all that stuff. Because if a client reaches out and they instantly get a notice saying, hey, I'm out of the office, but I'll get back to you as soon as possible, or hey, I'm out of the office, reach out to this person if it's critical or if you need something right away, that right there is going to be a huge green flag for your clients, because they know, hey, this guy took it upon himself to just let me know what's going on and then just ignore my inquiry or ignore my, you know, what I wanted or information or whatever. So just give your clients a way to know that you're out of the office, whether it's on your website, on your automation tools, in your email, whatever. And that's really it. And what spawned this is because of the fact that we are on vacation. So I thought, hey, this would be a really cool video for this week to talk about. And just, you know, you guys out there that are new in the industry, this might be something that you guys never really thought of. Some of you pros that are out there or experienced guys that have been doing this for years and years, you probably already know. You already know to put an autoresponder or notification or whatever so that people aren't left waiting and, you know, wondering what the heck's going on. Same thing with your current clients. So if you plan on being away for a while and you want, you can tell all of your current clients, like, hey, I'm going to be out of the office this week. If there's anything you guys need, just, you know, hang out until I get back, or feel free to text me, call me, whatever, Facebook message me. I don't know, some of you guys out there, you like giving all your contact information out to your clients. There's other guys that are out there that says, nope, I don't want my clients knowing anything about my Facebook or my phone number or any of that. Whatever your preference is, it's up to you. But if you just let your current clients know that you're not going to be in the office and you're not going to be able to get back to them right away, that also goes a really long way with a lot of your clients. And that's basically it. Also, too, if you tell your current clients that might spawn a couple questions or inquiries that they have that they didn't, that may have like came up in their mind that they didn't think to ask you right away. So that's always good too. That's basically it. Do you have anything else to add or any other feedback, or is that pretty much all of it?
Yeah, that pretty much covers all of it. For my office job, I had to put up my out of office on my Microsoft Office and my Zoom and everything like that. So it's kind of just the same thing.
Yep. So she's lucky. She gets to completely stay completely away from her office work. My full-time career, I actually brought my laptop and I'm actually answering emails later at night. How crazy is that? But my full-time career, those of you guys that know, I'm VP of marketing for a very big company. So there is no such thing as not being away from the office permanently. I still have to deal with some stuff, even when I'm on vacation celebrating my anniversary and birthday. How wild is that? So, but that's all I got, guys. Real quick for this week, hang out, because next week I'm probably going to have some good topics to discuss. And as always, a day without dancing is a day wasted. And thank you again to everyone who has liked, commented, subscribed. And until next time,
Bye, everyone.
talk to you later.
Thanks for watching.